gonna do a little update on this thing. As you can see, it's a little chilly. I think it's broken into the 30s now, but got this thing up. Just doing stock height strut. Did new upper control arms, new lower control arms, the tie rods. I just reused the boot, and then new hubs, and then this is a 2-inch drop spindle. We are going to end up going with probably the 2-inch lower DJM lower control arm to lower it another 2 inches, because I think it's going to be too high. But and I dropped it 3 inches. I didn't want to go 4 yet, just because I think it's going to need some room to move around, but obviously that exhaust is going. Went with the Beltec shocks. I got to do put some new rotors on here, but the rear end's gonna sit just right. Got the new race stars coming today. Hopefully they arrive on time. Got the rear tires coming today. Mickey Thompson ETSS tires, 305/45/17.